Good morning everyone. Welcome to the Philippines. Today, day 8 in Bohol Island in Panglao. Right now, 5:30 p.m. in the evening. After I explore the bee farm, I like to see sunset today, so we decided to go Hermit Beach. It is located 15 km away from the bee farm, 30 minutes bike ride. Most of the road we travel very good. In between you can see lot of beautiful small town. This is very huge Saint Augustine Church. Nearby this area there is a shopping mall and beautiful beach resort which is going to be a very expensive. I didn't expect that. As usual, the last 1 kilometer we have to travel in the countryside road. So apparently you need to register yourself, write your name and your purpose and your address. So this is look like a private area. This is where we are going. From here you need to walk at least 500 meters. There is no street light. Lucky enough I have a very good flashlight. So here there is no light at all. So after dark a little bit tough to navigate to this place. We have bulldozer. Here you can see there is a lady walking in front of us. Okay. So you are going there also?
Yeah, I'm going to the beach.
You're going to the beach. So how you guys come out? There's no light at all. How are you going to come out? You know the place. That's why you can easily come out.
No, we are from
Here.
not here.
Huh.
Next town, Baclayon.
Okay.
The old church.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, I take picture with my daughter. She will
They all there?
Yeah. Taking picture
Wow.
for the sunset.
Oh, you also came for sunset.
Yeah.
Okay. I don't think so we can get a sunset right there. So that's a situation.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There's so many
We
clouds.
can go there.
So at least you can see this place, how it looks like. If you like this video so far, please like and comment below. And subscribe to the channel would be awesome. Thank you.
We can walk here.
Thank you, yes.
This is my niece.
Good.
Yeah, you can go there to see the sunset.
That's
Until
fine, that's
it's,
fine.
After this one.
So my last day we came this far. The sunset is look like a very cloudy day. And this place look like a what, Mama's beach? This is a Mama's beach. Looks like a jungle. Really worried about it. But I see already 4 or 5 girls are taking photograph with the real photographers. That's the things going on over here in this Mama's beach. So what do you think about it?
I don't know.
That's what happening, man.
I think the place is famous, you know.
See, you won't believe me. You can check it out over there. I can zoom in out. See, you won't believe me. This is what's happening. They're taking pictures. This place is look like a real horror movie place. Effect.
Yes.
After dark, there is no shade of light over here. I don't think so. You will get any light.
Yes.
And this place a little bit more decent than we seen before now. So there you go, our sunset.
That's all the sunset
So
we can get.
you drive the vehicle for around 60 km per mile, and now you look at that. This is what we get it.
You always learn something.
So it was always whatever you think not going to happen when you travel. So it's a calm beach. Let's see the water. Yeah, the water was crystal clear. There's no doubt about it. See that? And beautiful place. But scary, not much people. Only a rocky surface over here, and dogs also there. Hopefully he won't get bite. I don't want to go to the hospital right now. See the rocky surface. Lucky enough, we have a nice slipper and shoes. What is it? And? What is it?
I saw something going inside.
That's okay. Maybe it's a
I think it was
crab. Maybe it's a crab. So this place looks like a small viewpoint over here right now, but it's very rocky surface. I don't know, high tide or low tide right now. That's the situation. Yeah, there's so many structures going on. I don't know what kind of vibe I can say this kind of place. It's nothing is like settled down over here.
Look at this. I think they're gonna trying to develop something. Look up.
So you can see the Virgin Island from here. Apparently you can see a Virgin Island from here. See that? I don't know whether I can focus or not. I'm going to try.
That's Virgin Island.
That is the Virgin Island.
And the other one is the.
Yeah, that is the Virgin Island.
I think the other one is Balikatan.
My God. It's like a below hole.
It looks great.
Wow. That's the situation. I will explore over here. It was scary but manageable, right?
Great. Look at those mangroves.
Yeah. Thank you for watching. Please like and comment below and subscribe the channel would be awesome. I'll see you guys in next video soon. Thank you.